Hi there, students. Paucity, a noun. Okay, a paucity means there is a lack of something. There isn't enough of it. There's a shortage, a dearth of it. So there is a paucity of workers to do the jobs in the UK at the moment. I think that might be something to do with Brexit. Okay, so a paucity, a lack of. There is a paucity of evidence that this is true. Yeah, there isn't enough. Yeah, there's just not enough of it. And that's the idea of a paucity. Yeah, few in number. If you're looking for a public phone box nowadays, they're almost impossible to find. There's a paucity of them. They're small in number. Yeah, they're far and few between. Yeah, there's a deficiency. A paucity of rain is called a drought, or a paucity of food is called a famine. Yeah, so there's an insufficiency of it. He has a bad heart because he has a paucity of heart function. So there's a scantiness, an undersupply. There's not enough of it. Okay. So a paucity, a lack of, yeah, just not enough of something. Okay. A dearth. So the country has a paucity of natural resources. I believe Japan has a paucity of natural resources and needs to import them. So a small number of it. There is a paucity of information about this problem. We need to research it. Yeah, there's a deficit, a deficiency, inadequacy. Yeah, a paucity, the condition of not being enough. Yeah, smallness in amount. Yeah, the meagerness of something, a dearth of something. There is a paucity of good English speakers. Okay. There's a paucity of jobs at the moment. There's a paucity of money means you're broke, you don't have enough. Now, notice this word paucity. This is quite formal. This sounds very literary, maybe a fraction old-fashioned as well, but a paucity. So, a shortage of, a lack of. The origin, it comes from Latin paucitas, a small number, from paucus, few or a little. And that in itself actually comes from Proto-Indo-European, pel, meaning few or small. So that's where it actually comes from. This word, yeah, how formal am I going to give it? I'm going to give it a 7.5 in formality. This you need to use in a formal writing or a semi-formal writing. I wouldn't use this word paucity in a casual conversation. People might or might not know what it means. There's a lack of would be much more appropriate in an informal situation. Okay, so a paucity of something, there isn't enough of it. There is a paucity of qualified workers to do this job. There is a paucity of supply, and that has driven the price up massively. Yeah. So yeah, maybe there has been, certainly where I am, there has been a paucity of sunshine this year. It's been a fairly cool summer, not like everywhere else. Okay, so a paucity, not enough, a shortage, a lack of, too few, fewness in number, a paucity of something. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Paucity.